Hello everybody, and I have got a Lego puzzle box that I want to show you. Easy to make, but I'll make it on another video. So, I will show you the build right away. Well, not the build. You want to take that piece off. You see all the ways you put that in. It's not gonna work. I'll show them all to you. See? Nope, not there either. But this way, also no. Yeah, all the ways it's no, but including this way. I think, yeah, I showed it that way. But what you want to do is you want to put that thing in there and you want to slide it out like that, but then you put it back and then you push down. So what happens when you push down, on the other side, that thing comes out that lets you finish the puzzle box with getting a Lego set. Woohoo! Finish the puzzle box.